MACHNIST All Electric 40T1600 Press Brake. Precise motion, smooth power transmission. Durable anti-corrosion paint, robust construction. Flexible tool setup. Safety foot pedal control. DA53TX controller. 2D programming automatic calculation. Black oxide treated tooling. Smooth servo electric motion. Low noise operation. A cleaner and quieter workplace. Rigid C-frame construction. Generous throat depth for versatile bending. GV optical linear encoders. Closed loop control for precise synchronization. Direct original manufacturing. Stable quality on-time delivery. Dual servo electric drive. Independent Y1Y to control precise synchronization. Servo-driven X or R-axis backgauge. Fast and accurate positioning. Precision in motion. Integrated multi-axis control. Coordinated motion for accurate bending. Modular electrical system. Structured layout, clearly wiring, easy maintenance. Precision bending demonstration. High bending accuracy. Consistent quality in every bend. Bending angle verification. MACHNIST. Reliable performance, lasting value.